Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mac checking back in with another video. Thank y'all for tuning in. As always, man, you know how we do on this channel. Gotta give a huge shout out to the old subs, the new subs, and the people that don't really subscribe but still stop through and show the channel and show me love. So really appreciate everybody, and I appreciate everybody who left feedback for the little vlog I did, if that's what you want to call it. I appreciate the feedback on that. Definitely something that I may do a little bit more, but just thanks for all the positive feedback. But today we got something else that's kind of new to my channel. We got two unboxings. We got two sneaker unboxings, two pickups that I got over this past weekend. And really, man, I don't think to do these unboxings because as soon as I get the kicks, you know what I'm saying, I either wear them, put them on my feet, or I'm doing a video for y'all. So I kind of wanted to do this so that y'all can see, you know, what I picked up for one, and two, to give y'all kind of an idea of what to expect on the channel in the future as far as like on feet videos. So I guess it's kind of really not an unboxing, but I opened the box already just to, you know, just to peep the kicks, but it's a semi unboxing. But bear with me if I'm taking too long, you know what I'm saying. But we'll go ahead and show y'all what we picked up. A lot of people may not like these, but I rock with them. Got the Flyknit all red Jordan 4s. So these dropped this past weekend. I forgot when, I can't even remember when they dropped, but it was an easy cop. I think I was actually at work when I scooped these up. I think they dropped on Friday. I was actually at work when I scooped these up. Super easy. I like these a lot, man. I know a lot of people, they really don't fuck with the Flyknit, the whole Flyknit Jordan thing. Some people just will never accept, you know, that whole idea, and that's cool, but I rock with them. I had the Flyknit Jordan 1s somewhere over here, so, you know, I'm a fan of the Flyknit Jordans. I think it's a great idea, and the Jordan 1s, if it's any indication of comfort, I think these are gonna be comfortable as well. For those of you who don't know, these released in a pack with a red pair. This is the red pair, obviously, the blue pair, yellow, and I think orange. Of all the shoes that came in the pack, I thought the blue and the red, and that's pretty, you know, pretty obvious. I thought those were the best of the pack, but I went ahead and picked these up. I thought this was the best. I wasn't about to drop $225 on both sneakers. This is probably the first all red pair of kicks that I bought in a while. And I know a lot of people are gonna be like, when they see this, they're gonna be like, man, those are trash, those are trash. But when I saw them in person, when I kind of peeked before I did this unboxing, I was kind of impressed by the quality. You know what I'm saying? The quality on this, just kind of overlooking it, man, the quality is A1, so that's a plus for me. And like I said, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be super comfortable. It has leather on the insides right here. I got these in a size 12, I think. Yeah, I be forgetting. I get some shoes in 11.5. Yeah, so this is a size 12. One thing I don't like, man, y'all could have included like a better box. We're paying $225, man. I know we don't wear the boxes, but give me something to make me feel better about dropping so much money. But what I want y'all to do, I want y'all to let me know what y'all think about these, but do not give your full opinion until you see how these look on feet. Y'all know me, I know how I do on this channel. I personally feel like, again, this is my personal opinion, I feel like I give you guys the best on feet, the best look at how you could potentially rock these kicks. So like I said, don't judge a shoe until you see how they look on feet. Again, I know these are not gonna be for everybody, but they're for me. You know, we always rock what we like. That's the motto. That's how we do on this channel. So save your full judgment, you know what I'm saying, until you see them on feet. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little close up. It's kind of showing up as like a pink right here, but it's definitely a red. It's kind of a translucent red, so it kind of looks pink when light hits it. But I like these a lot, man. I can't say that enough. And y'all know, man, if I buy a shoe and show it to y'all on my channel, it's a shoe that I like. So I'm curious to see how these feel on feet. I'm predicting that they'll be comfortable. And with the Flyknit kicks, and this is what I do with them, like with my Flyknit Jordan 1s, if I'm going to like the store or something on some chill stuff, I'll put on those instead of having to rock my actual bread ones. So that's kind of the purpose they serve for me. Again, I know this is a expensive sneaker just to rock to the grocery store, but I don't think I would like get a fit off in these Flyknits unless it's like with some shorts or something like that, but you never know. And one last thing I want to say, I do think, you know, when you're on IG, you see a lot of people comment. I do think that these are gonna go to outlets, but I think first the red pair and the blue pair will be discounted heavily, and then a lot of people will start to buy them, but the green and the orange and whatever other colors are left, those are definitely going to outlets, and these may pop up in outlets as well. So you probably be able to get these for way below the retail price, which is $225. But you know what I'm saying, if I see a shoe and I like it, I'm gonna go ahead and cop no matter what the price is. But that's the first kick, man. We got the Jordan 4 Flyknit all red joints. Let me know what y'all think. All right, so the next kick that we got, I think these released on Saturday. Got the Jordan 7. Y'all see the box. Y'all already know what it is. The Pata Jordan 7s. And I actually forgot that these came out. Now this is what I'm talking about. They give you a nice box, so it makes me feel I spent $400 in the past 3 or 4 days. So this box makes me feel a little bit better about the damage I did to my bank account. But it's all good. As you can see, the box has the actual Jordan 7 Pata on the front. Toss this out the way. And it also comes with, you know what I'm saying, paper and all that good stuff. But I know y'all don't, that's not what y'all come to see. So here's the actual Jordan 7 Pata. Immediately pulling them out the box, you can see that the quality is there. Automatic, that's a plus for me. That makes me feel a little bit better about paying $225 or $200 for, you know what I'm saying, a pair of kicks. Like I said, the quality is there, and this is like the first Jordan 7 that I've bought in years. The last Jordan 7 that I got was the Bordeaux's. That's one of my favorite Jordan 7s of all time, and probably one of my favorite kicks of all time. A lot of people have already reviewed this kick, man. There's nothing new to say about it. It's just that the quality is there. I do like the second version that they have of this sneaker. I like that one a whole lot better, and I low-key just a little bit wish I would have waited to cop those. If those, I feel like those are gonna be harder to get than these, but if I'm able to cop both, I think I'll go ahead and do that. I think that'll be dope. But the second pair that they're showing on the internet and I've seen pictures of, they definitely shit on these. Like, it's not even close. But these are not shabby either. So let me know what y'all think about the Jordan 7 Pata. The one thing I don't like is that they got the writing on the side of the sneaker. Like, I don't like that too much. That looks tacky to me. That's just my opinion. If they would have kept it just on the inside, like, I don't have a problem with them keeping it on the inside right here, but to have it like right here all throughout the sneaker, I'm not really a fan of that. It's like a tan color. Y'all seen plenty of reviews on these, man. I know my camera's probably not showing y'all the best detail, and me just as a reviewer in general, I don't get the best details, just to keeping it a buck with y'all. But yeah, man, that is pretty much it, man. I gotta get up out of here. I got something to do. Let me know what y'all think about the Jordan 7 Pata. They come with a hang tag, which is kind of cool, I guess. Some people, hey, I don't know who need to hear this, but I really hope that none of my subscribers are rocking their kicks with the hang tags on them. Like, I really hope y'all not doing that. If you are, no offense, but that is crazy if you doing that in 2019. If you are an adult doing that in 2019, that is crazy. Yeah, so it's no extra details. That is it. Nice box, nice pair of shoes. That is pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I'm actually doing this video on my lunch break. I gotta get back to work. Y'all see the dedication that I have for you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe to the channel. And if I haven't said it already, man, shop with my homeboy, his clothing brand, Art Dealers Anonymous. That's a t-shirt that I'm rocking right now. As you can see, we got Art Dealers Anonymous on the chest, and on the back, we got some writing as well. So I'm gonna leave a link. Hopefully y'all can see everything on the back. But do me a favor, go ahead and shop with the homie. He got some dope merch, dope ass clothing line. So y'all see that I'm rocking it, and I'm not just rocking it because that's my homie. I'm rocking it because, you know what I'm saying, it's dope. So go ahead and shop with the boy and support the channel. So I'm gonna give y'all one last look of my pickups. And this might be the thumbnail, feel me? But give y'all one last look at the pickups. Let me know what you guys think. Expect to see on feet for both of these kicks. Definitely I'm gonna show y'all on feet for these, but I'll probably try to get that out this week if I'm not too busy. You know, your boy be having a lot going on, but definitely expect to see on feet for that. Also, I'm gonna have a video talking about where I get my jeans from, and I'm also gonna shoot a video letting you guys know how and where you can get sneakers for super duper cheap. It's gonna be really informative. Y'all don't want to miss that video. So other than that, man, thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.